learn how to make a simple Chinese paper lantern. I remember making these in grade school. Take any sheet of red paper, rectangle in shape, and fold it in half hot dog style. Cut half-inch slits from the folded edge almost all the way through, and then open it up and wrap it into a tube, gluing it into this pretty lantern. I made a round yellow tube to fit inside that makes it look like it's lit up and fringed on the bottom. I added a handle and some decoration for this cute first option of a Chinese lantern. The second option is just making the plain red lantern, and then I made a tassel out of a long piece of yellow paper that is cut in small slits with fringe, wrapped it up, and then tied it from the handle. A cute second option. The third cute option is to make it in miniature, which anything is cute in miniature. Here's how my garland turned out after my How to Make Simple Chinese Paper Lanterns Do-It-Yourself craft. For more craft ideas, come on over to welcometonanas.com and join the fun.